In today's video, I will walk you through how to use Spotify Equalizer. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen. Next, look to the top right for your profile icon. Click it, then choose Settings from the menu. This opens a page with a list of options you can scroll through. Scroll down until you reach the Playback section. In this area, find the Equalizer option and switch it on. The Equalizer panel will appear right away. You'll see a list of presets you can choose from, along with sliders that control different parts of the audio spectrum. If you want to make a quick adjustment, start with a preset. Choose one that matches the kind of sound you enjoy. Then listen to a song you know well. If you'd rather create your own sound, use the sliders to fine-tune the audio. The sliders on the left affect the low end, including bass and kick drums. The sliders in the middle shape the mids, where vocals, guitars, and pianos sit. The sliders on the right control the treble, adding sparkle and detail. Make small adjustments and listen after each change. A small increase or decrease can make a noticeable difference. If the sound becomes harsh or boomy, gently move the slider back toward the center. You can also switch the equalizer on and off to compare your changes with the original sound. To return to a neutral starting point, choose the flat preset. Different headphones and speakers can respond differently, so make your adjustments while listening on the equipment you actually use. To use the Spotify Equalizer, go to Settings, scroll to Playback, and switch on Equalizer. From there, choose a preset or adjust the sliders manually. Use the left sliders for the low end, the middle sliders for the mids, and the right sliders for the treble. Make small changes. Listen to the result, and move the sliders back toward the center if the sound becomes harsh or boomy. You can switch the equalizer off and on to compare your changes, or select the flat preset to return to a neutral setting. You can revisit these settings anytime your taste or setup changes. Keep your overall volume at a comfortable level to avoid fatigue and preserve clarity. Thank you for watching.